Hey guys, so to make this delicious blueberry, strawberry, and banana smoothie, we're going to need half a cup of blueberries, already washed, a cup of strawberries, already washed as well. We're also going to need one banana and a half. I'm using one whole banana and then half of another banana. I'm also going to use honey just to sweeten our smoothie up. You can use sugar if you want. Now in my blender, I am adding the blueberries, the strawberries, and bananas. Now we're going to add half a tablespoon of honey to your liking, as well as 1 cup of regular milk. You can use oat milk, you can use soy milk, almond milk, your favorite type of milk. Now for the last thing we're gonna do is just add ice so it can be nice and creamy and cold and delicious. Ready to cover this up and blend away until it's nice and smooth. All right, now we are done blending, and look at this delicious smoothie, guys. Look at the color, it's just so inviting. If you have kids, they're gonna love this smoothie. For your family, it's like the perfect breakfast idea or snack as well. You can just pair it up with your favorite breakfast or snack. And that's it, guys. Delicious, healthy blueberry, banana, and strawberry smoothie. I hope all of you guys enjoy, and I will see you on my next video.